Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And with that being said, some updates certainly need to be made after another nice solid day. First is just some house cleaning. Going to get rid of that line there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting, a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video on Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 1135 as resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be what I'd consider the ideal level of support, meaning if you're saying, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can now hold up above 1135, that would definitely be best case scenario. But if the price does fall below it, I'm not sitting here saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, best case scenario, definitely staying above 1135. In the event the price, were to fall below that green line, at that point in time, you still have the overall trend indicator, which is the purple line down here, the 50-period simple moving average. And as I've said, in past videos, really boiling the chart down to a very black and white way to kind of simplify things. As long as the price stays up above that purple line going forward, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? Well, at this point, it's all about the pink line right there, which is the famous 200-period simple moving average, currently valued at 1160, although keyword there being moving. So this line will continue to move downwards, and that value will change. But, that'll definitely be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. If this uptrend is going to continue, that's definitely the next hurdle that the bulls will have to cross. All in all, though, taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, as long as the price just keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of putting in these higher lows, then the long-term chart, like it's been doing the past couple of weeks, is going to continue to take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.